So I quit my job to homestead, and this is Monday. The last Thursday is my last day, so it's kind of starting to sink in a little bit. Of course, here at my greenhouse, I'm fixing to go in. I've already done my chores. I'm gonna go in and do a little watering. But I thought I would make this video real quick. Also been watching my bees. I don't. Acting kind of funny, like they were going to swarm, but I ain't seen no evidence of it yet. So. I think they're going to be okay. So last Thursday was my last day. I'm actually on the payroll till June the 1st because I got vacation time. But yeah, I went ahead and did it. I pulled the trigger. I was a little nervous about it. You know, I had such a good job. In case you didn't know, I worked for the local utility company for 31 years. I started out that well. They have water, wastewater, electric, and now fiber, which they just started that part. But started out in the water division on the bottom, worked my way up, transferred to the electric division. Made foreman in the substation department. Eventually got to be my official title when I left was supervisor of facilities and substations. So I was supervisor for about seven years probably. Had a real nice truck. I don't know if you ever seen the gray Ford truck when I do videos out front, but that was my company truck, and I really miss it. It was pretty new. I think it was a 23 model. It might have been a 22 model, but I don't know. But they only had 18,000 miles on it, and I wanted to take it with me, but they wouldn't let me. So, but anyway, so I'll be 61, so I got just a little bit to Social Security. But you know, the big thing was I got to thinking, you know, I'm taking a cut and pay, a big cut and pay. Hopefully this place, we can start making a little money here. We did pretty good last year. We did pretty good the year before. We've been adding on to it a little. So, I mean, that was a factor. But this is really what I want to do. You know, I want to grow vegetables, grow livestock, grow apples, grow, you know, blackberries, and have honey and eggs and stuff like that. That's what I want to do. And I got to thinking, you know, at this point in my life, time's more valuable than money. So I say that now, you know, in a year from now, or my mama said in 5 years from now, I'll regret it. And you know, financially, I should have worked till maybe I was 65. I would have, or 67, my full retirement age. We got a lot more money, but like I said, I think time's more important than money. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. So far it's pretty good, you know. It was like I get to do my chores and relax, and I don't feel like I'm in a big hurry. Of course, it's only been 2 or 3 days, so we'll see. Still hadn't really set in. I kind of feel like Thursday I felt like I was going into a tunnel and I didn't know what was on the other side, but I think it's going to be okay. I feel a little better today, and it's nice, you know. I got up this morning it's Monday, I got up about 7, I guess. Got me a cup of coffee, watched a little bit of Fox News, went and did a little something, come back, drank me another cup of coffee, watched some YouTube, went back out and did another little thing. I cleaned up around my bee yard. And I went and ate lunch and went and got some diesel for the tractor. Went down there and lightly tilled up where the corn's going to be. So, and now I'm making a video for Wednesday. We have a live tonight, so not stressed about it, getting everything done before the live comes, before we do the live. So I don't know exactly what this is going to mean for the YouTube channel. I mean, right now it's going to be the same. It'll be the same thing. So I'll just for right now I'm gonna keep going. Starting to rain. Let me close this door. Now here's my tomatoes that ain't coming up. got one here, one here, one here, and here. So this is 50. These are doing decent. These back here are doing real good. These are doing good. These are starting to. And they're starting to over here. So peppers are doing all right. Carried a bunch down there to the greenhouse today, and carried a bunch of cabbages and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Let me shut this door. Okay, so I moved down to the high tunnel, one of my high tunnels that we cleaned out there today, and I think tomorrow, if this rain keeps up, I'll be in here and we'll run a sprinkler system in here. So, but anyway, about the YouTube channel, I mean, nothing's really going to change for now. I'll still do 2 videos, still do the live on Monday night, and I've got a lot of content I can do right now. So I don't know. So we might, or I might do an extra video per week. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. So I'll see how my time goes. So right now it's real easy to do videos because I got so much going on. November to December, January, February, it's kind of hard to do 3 a day, or 3 a week. 2 a week's not too bad. So you know, I could do a bunch right now, then in them months, you know, not do as many. You know, nobody says I have to do whatever. So anyway, but the YouTube channel, we're gonna keep it going, or I'm gonna keep it going. I hope to take it to the next level. Hope to monetize, to be honest with you, by the end of the year. I've got quite a bit of subscribers. I've got almost 3,100 subscribers. Don't get a whole lot of views. Been averaging about 100 views per video, which I need at least, you know, 600 or 700 views per video to get monetized probably. And we're getting there. We're working on it. So anyway, it's about to slack up. I'll go show you that cornfield we did today. So anyway, just want to give you a little life update. Hear me talking about stuff. You probably see more videos in the morning. Hopefully I'll be more relaxed, and hopefully we'll get a lot more done. So it's gonna be nice just being a farmer, because you know, think about it, I had a full-time job, which the last few years really has not been that bad, because I went off call. I was on call duty. It was really tough, because 1/5 of your time you was on call. It's hard to do anything on call, farm-wise or anything. So, but I had 40 hours a week I had to do, plus my farming, and that took sometimes, especially this time of year when we're starting to do all our gardens and stuff, is 40 hours a week. YouTube takes, you know, right now it probably takes, I don't know, probably 10 hours a week. So time you film and edit. Editing is the hard part. That's what takes long. You know, a video like this don't take long to make or edit. So I'm just doing this to, like I said, give you a little life update. So I've quit my job. I'm gonna be a full-time farmer, full-time homesteader, whatever, full-time YouTuber. And I don't want to make content. I mean, I don't want to be a YouTuber that does farming. I want to be a farmer that does YouTube. So we'll hopefully we'll keep that going like that. So it's stopped raining. I'll go out here. Let's go ahead and look at this cornfield real quick. I'll be planting corn in a day or two. So I have a new camera too that I'm using. My crew at work bought this camera for me. It's a GoPro 13 Creator Edition, and it is awesome. That's why the pictures look so much better. Hopefully I look skinny and young. Looking in the little mirror here, yeah, the little viewfinder thing, yeah, look, it makes me look a whole lot better. So anyway, man, this thing is awesome. It's really good for my usual film person. It's easier for her to operate because it's got a button on the back that you start and stop recording and turn it on and off and stuff. So this thing is, I think some of the last Saturday's video was filmed with this, so you can really tell the difference. It's a lot better quality camera, and I appreciate them guys getting this for me. It's really too much money to spend, but man, I love it. So anyway, so this is the cornfield, or where it's going to be behind me, and like I said, I lightly tilled it, and I'm gonna go back and really till it really good deep. We need some rain. We need this rain. It's kind of dry. It was really dry when I was tilling there. Also got my wood chips piled up. So I mean, when you're a full-time farmer, you got time to do stuff like this. So I'm gonna put me a permanent compost thing right in here, because I've got a bunch of old chicken litter and goat litter and old hay that I want to get rid of. I want to compost it, so I'm gonna make my own compost. So anyway, and of course up there where the sheep are, like I've said before, that'd be pumpkins. Back behind us will be watermelon, cantaloupe. Hopefully we'll get this tilled. I did a little test till over on the other side today. It's a little bit too dry. I'm gonna let it rain a little bit. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of rain and I'll get to tilling that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. We'll get back to our regular scheduled videos Saturday morning. I don't know what it's gonna be. I've got a lot of things in the works, so we'll see what it'll be. But anyway, if you have any questions, you leave a comment down below. I answer all comments, answer all emails. I get quite a few emails, not a whole lot, but you can send me an email, mostly about garden questions I ask, and equipment questions, stuff like that. So if you have something and I can help you, I'll be glad to help you. Homestead will be open Saturday. We had a real good Saturday last Saturday. We've had 3 real good Saturdays in a row. We'll keep that going. That's going to go. It's one thing I hope to do, and I'll talk about this later in another video as we go. I want to keep, at least until 1st of November, vegetables, where we can sell up there to the end. So usually, I kind of get burnt out about end of August, 1st September. We don't fool with it no more. But we can keep it going. We get tired having to work, come down here and do all this, so it's a big job. But now this is going to be our only job, and hopefully we'll make a go of it. Next year we'll talk about how we did money-wise. I can't do it this year because of the RS still on me, so hopefully next year we'll talk a little bit more about money, how much money we make doing this kind of farming. Everything we do, eggs and whatever we do, farmer's market, farm stand. Going to take 2 little goats to the sale next week, and I was going to do some plant sales this year, but I don't think they're going to. You've seen that, and it ain't working out too good for me, but that's all right. That's why you diversify. All right, leave a comment down below, give us a like button, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down there in the farm next video.